So our next cultural trait is food. Food, right, obviously is things that we eat. But for this one, please tell us what meals and snacks you like to eat regularly. Things that you could also include in this would be like what ingredients that you commonly or frequently have. So for example, meals I eat with my family traditionally, my a lot of casseroles, things made or seasoned with like onion and garlic. Cheese, sometimes I know my mom likes to really cook with cheese. Um, she's like really into keto recently. But snacks. Okay, so snacks, I like to eat fruit, I like to eat chips. Um, so the meals and the snacks that you have, right, individually and with your family might be different. Compared to the things that like I eat. I know that I actually just learned yesterday that in a lot of Hispanic households, frequently like ground beef mixing with vegetables, right? That's a common meal served in many Hispanic households. Literally just learned that yesterday. Um, Spicy, right? Sometimes like foods with a lot of spice. Like what do you use to get a lot of spice? And the cool thing is that when we look around the world and we see, okay, like what do people in the Netherlands eat or Ireland eat or in India, what types of ingredients grow there, what do they make with those ingredients? So we'll see that like countries that have a coast, countries that live really close to an ocean or that have access to an ocean will typically eat a lot of seafood because it is very easy for them to get seafood. Whereas countries or even states in the United States that are more landlocked or just surrounded by land, you will see foods, meals, snacks um, with ingredients that you can easily farm. So this is where like food and geography, the land are very, very closely connected. Don't forget to include pictures of both meal, snacks, and again, even like frequent ingredients. Like if there are certain peppers that you know you and your family use to make things spicy, include that. Okay, seasonings, include it.